Thank you, everyone. I am Minwoo Kim from Republic of Korea, the country of BTS and country of Squid Game. And I love to speak about my company case during the COVID-19, what we did, and then how what we did helped us to grow even during the epidemic seasons. Right. So we are an edutech company. So we are the educational and technology company based in South Korea, and we are serving young learners who are younger than 10 years old. That's because we believe that the building a right attitude toward learning as they grow into the lifelong learners is very important. So with that vision, we have set up our company. So not only we mentioned about COVID-19 and how it has stopped all the students going to the schools and how it damaged all the teachers and parents. Even before the COVID-19, the education sector has been well known for its slow technology leveraging innovations. So now you're looking at the three different pictures: the classroom from 1950s and 1980s and 2010s, and we see a very little difference. So people often say that the medical doctor from 50s won't be able to serve patients nowadays, and then engineers from 1950s will not be able to serve the clients nowadays. But many people will agree to the fact that even teachers from 50s will be able to serve the students in nowadays, because in classroom things did not have changed dramatically. And then why there has been so little change. And then during the COVID-19, we started to see that all the educational related players now started to care about IT infrastructure and the home learning and digital learning and learning in distance. But before COVID-19, there has been a very less efforts comparing to the other domains about the technology driven innovations. And then my company, we believe that that has been because of the high human dependency in educational sector. So education has been depending on the quality of teachers in the histories. And then when there are good teachers, good education, and when there are no good teachers and not so good education. And then this COVID-19, what it did to our learners is that it has stopped the students meeting teachers in person. So it started to raise alert toward the education related players that maybe the importance of technology driven innovation is more important than we thought. So leveraging this the surroundings that we have now, the Hodoo Labs, what we did, we tried to bring the talents from different sectors. So I'm the founder and CEO of the company, and I'm the father of two beautiful children. And then my major career is from educational sector. So I have 15 plus years of experience in digital learning. And then our CTO, Mr. Chung, has a incredible track record in gaming industry. So many people often mention about that it'll be really great if we can collaborate two different things, education and game, well, so that the learners can enjoy education as if they are enjoying games. But it has been a very difficult task. It has been believed, because reaching two different expertise in one place isn't easy as it sounds. But in our company, during the COVID-19, we were successfully invited 80 different experts who believe in the importance of technology, especially in educational sector. So we have invited 22 different experts from gaming and 27 experts from technology and 23 experts from education. So we have put together all these beautiful talents to complete the mission that we have, minding the learning gap, leveraging technology. So we have developed two different main products. Number one is Betia English. It's a game-based learning product, and Betia Square. It's a metaverse, the prototype that we are developing right now to integrate all different different education services into our metaverse, the world, so that students can enjoy all different services with their peers in the metaverse circumstance. So the first one, Bedia English. So as many of you are from non-native English-speaking countries, so we probably will agree, and we know that the students from non-native English-speaking countries have less opportunities practicing their speaking English, because in Asia, we believe there are 4 different sectors in English language learning. So one is speaking, and the other is listening, writing, and reading. But for listening and reading and writing, there are many services and products and materials that students can use for their self-study without teachers. But when it comes to speaking, we know that there's a very little the services which help students to self-study speaking skills without having human teachers. So that's when we come with the idea that maybe we can help students by letting them speak to their favorite game characters in English. So, we have invited the experts from MMORPG gamification, and we have built something called the Betia English. So now you see the graphics from our software. So this is a RPG game. So just like in RPG game that you are given many missions to work on. But the only difference between our software and the normal game is that in our software, you need to communicate by speaking using our voice recognition engine. So as you see in the graphics, the students are meeting all different characters, doing different missions using voice recognition engine. So they have to speak to communicate with these characters to move on into their missions. So it's a very game-like looking product, so it can engage students more. And then it has a level system and peer communication system and growth system, so that students can communicate and collaborate with their peers during the game. So rather than I explain more with my words, I will let you see the short video clip of our products, so that you can understand more about how we applied gamification expertise into learning. Can you play the video for us? this is the what we did using gamification to help kids during the COVID-19. And then we are about to expand our service into global learners. And then as I close, and then we are also preparing the metaverse service so that we have several different learning services in different formats. But when our metaverse world is ready, then all the students they can come into our world, and then they will be able to find all different learning places in the virtual world what they like, so that they can meet their friends and they can experience different the programs in our learning world. So I think my time is up, and hope to work with the great partners, and then probably hope that you enjoyed my speech about how different expertise can help the learners and people during the COVID-19. Thank you.